What's up, madlang people? So, today, gawin natin yung trending online, yung cucumber salad na may tuna. I think I tried it before, didn't realize na magte-trending siya. So, ito ang mga ingredients. So, 1/2 lang siya ng cucumber, but you can use the whole lot if you want. And then, dito, ang gagamitin ko ay tuna chunks. So let's just put half of it as well. But it depends na lang sa panlasa ninyo o preference. Kung gusto nyo madami, put everything. But sa akin siguro 1/2 tama na yan. And then, chopped onions. Siguro enough na yan. Bit of salt. Kasi may alat na yung tuna. And then, black pepper. Mayonnaise. I think yung iba they put Greek yogurt. Since wala ako noon, ito na lang cheese flavor. Para din siyang mayonnaise. Come on. But I've got spare. Okay, so I think, yeah, everything is in there. Cover and then shake. You see, it will work. Shake, shake, shake. Just like that. Oops, oh dear. Splattered everywhere. Bit messy here. Sorry. Oops. Ano kasi ang ginagawa nila? Okay. But ako, I preferred more black pepper. Okay, we will taste it. Okay, so taste test na. Anyway, it's lunchtime. Happy lunchtime, everyone. So you can eat this just as is. Para mas masarap, seaweed. Crispy seaweed thins. You can buy this in any shops. Tesco, Morrisons, Asda. So, it's yummy. Let's put it there. And thank you, Lord. Happy lunchtime. Cheers. Bon appetit. Manganta. Kain tayo. Pete bon. Sarap din. It's yummy. I've got cherry tomatoes as well. Mm. Have you tried this already? For sure sa Pilipinas, madami na naka-try nito. Let's put it there. You can add chili flakes as well, and then maybe if you doesn't like tuna, boiled eggs, or maybe fried tofu. I will try that next time. Maybe next time I will just add 1 spoon of mayonnaise. I think I put like 1.5. Very tasty. Yum, yum, yummy. I've seen ilang artista or influencer na rin ang nag-trending dahil dito. It's a bit noisy to chew because the cucumber is very, very crunchy. You can serve this as well if you're having like a party. Para maiba naman yung nasa mesa nyo. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, very good one. Easy to make. Very, very affordable. Like a budget meal. So Kung hindi nyo pa na-try, let's try it. Masarap talaga siya. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.